Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download all OneDrive files at once directly to your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open File Explorer on your desktop. You can do this by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar, or by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will bring up your File Explorer window where you can access all your files and folders. Once File Explorer opens, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. This is where all your main folders and locations are displayed. Look for the OneDrive icon in this left sidebar. This OneDrive location shows all the files and folders that are currently synced between your PC and your OneDrive cloud storage. It's important to understand that seeing files here doesn't necessarily mean they're fully downloaded to your computer. They might just be available online and will download only when you open them. Now, here's where the actual downloading process begins. To download all files at once, simply right-click on any folder that you wish to download. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. From this list of options, look for and click on Always Keep on this device. This is the key feature that ensures your files are permanently stored on your local PC. Essentially, this option saves a local copy of all the files within that folder from your OneDrive, which is technically downloading them to your computer's hard drive. You'll want to repeat this process for all folders you wish to download. Once you select this option for a folder, all of its content, including any subfolders and files inside, will begin downloading to your PC automatically. This makes it incredibly convenient because you don't have to download each file individually. Everything within that folder structure gets saved at once. During the download process, you'll notice a sync icon appear under the status column next to your folders. This icon indicates that OneDrive is actively working to download and sync those files to your local storage. You'll need to wait a bit while this process completes, and the time it takes will depend on how large your files are and your internet connection speed. Once the downloading and syncing is complete, that sync icon will change to a green check mark. This green check mark is your confirmation that the files are now fully saved and downloaded to your local PC storage, meaning you can access them even without an internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded all your OneDrive files to your computer using the Always Keep on this device feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.